Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Agoda's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Agoda's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Agoda application on your device. The official page of Agoda application will be displayed on the screen. You can log into your Agoda's account using your Google, Facebook or Apple account as well. Now from the official page, tap on More option at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on Login or Sign Up option. Enter your email address and tap on Continue. An OTP will be sent to your email address. Enter the OTP provided in the email and tap on Continue. It will log you into your Agoda's account in no time. This is how you can log into your Agoda's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more content and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.